Hi guys, I am Gunjan. I'm a makeup artist and I decided to start a YouTube channel because I really want to educate people about makeup. Although I'm still learning, I'll always be learning. I've created this look. This is one of my go-to looks if I'm getting late or if I'm in a hurry. So basically everybody loves a smoky eye, right? So this is something which is a subtle and a very simpler version of a smoky eye which you can carry anywhere to any occasion. You can wear it in the day and during the night as well. So I want you all to know that I am still taking bridal and engagement makeup bookings. So if you have any inquiries or anything, you can write to me on my email or you can just comment down below. Or you can also get in touch on my social media handles so that we can just get you dolled up. And please guys, since this is a new channel, this is my first video, I'm very grateful for it. I really want to request you all to subscribe to my channel, watch all the videos if you are a makeup enthusiast, and share it with all the friends who love makeup. Share it with your brother, mother, sisters, wives, girlfriends, everybody who loves makeup. I'll be linking down all the products that I've used in this video down below in the description area, and also all my social media handles down below. Till then, let's just jump into the tutorial. Okay, so let's start with skin prep first. I don't have anything on my skin except for my moisturizer, and I'll be going with Smashbox Primerizer. This is a primer plus moisturizer. Okay, so the reason I am looking up today is because my monitor is up. And then I'm going to go and apply some Embolicy. Aajao Bhar, I've already chapta ho chuka hai. I have used so much of it. उसके बाद हम एक proper primer लगाएंगे, which is this. It is from Smashbox. It is the original photo finish smooth and blur primer from the Smashbox Cosmetics. अब मैं Smashbox का primer लगा रही हूँ. I am only putting this on my problematic area, which are my pores near my nose and on my nose. I don't have very big pores, but this just helps a little. If you have a nice skin prep routine before your makeup, I can guarantee you that no matter what your skin type is, your makeup will look flawless. Let's get into the foundation now. I'll be mixing these two. These are from Estee Lauder and I am in the shade Tawny, but I'll still mix it with Sand. So this is brighter and this is almost my skin tone, but I'll be mixing both these. Okay, let's go. For concealer, I'll be going with the Age Rewind Maybelline concealer. I love this concealer. I'm putting this concealer as my first base for the eyes because उसके बाद हम सीधा eyeshadow पर jump करेंगे. Now we'll blend all of this. Just to add some glow on the face, I will be adding this liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills ka brow pomade. It's in the shade dark brown. See the difference? This is done and of course this is not. I'm using one of my favorite Jane Star's palette. I'll be taking the most bright orange, this one. मैं अभी से product deposit कर रही हूँ on my crease. And then जब आपका deposition हो गया है, deposition, science पढ़ा रही हूँ ना मैं यहाँ पे. Brown shade, something which is in between this. So if you don't have something in between these two, you can always mix these two shades. I will only put it on the outer corners of my eye. I'm not going to leave it like that. I'll take the first brush, the blending brush that I used for the orange eyeshadow, and I'll quickly blend it all together. I will mix the darkest brown and the black together and just tap it. Now taking any clean brush, I will blend it all together. बस एक क्लीन ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश से हम इसको ब्लेंड कर रहे हैं अच्छे से. I have just dusted off my loose powder. I'm just moving on to my bronzer. I'm using Ula by the Benefit. I'll be using my favorite blusher, which is by Sivana Colors. It is in the shade 11. I love this blusher. Looks so good. So good, so good, so good. Now I feel I have some life on my face. I'm using the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. Always tight line your eyes on the upper waterline as well and the lash line. I will curl my lashes and then I'll put mascara. My mascara is from Too Faced. Everything is covered in my powder right now. I dropped it. Okay, so it is by Too Faced. It's Better Than Sex mascara. It's a very nice mascara. I have it in the small packaging, but I think I'm gonna get it in the bigger and the original packaging as well because it is too good. Put some nice 2 coats of mascara. See how open my eyes look? I'm gonna take a brush like this and I'll take my highlighter, highlight the inner corners of the eye. This is very much necessary if you carrying this look for a night time. Alright, so I'm done with my eyes, my mascara. I've not put any liner because I don't like putting my liners much. But I have nicely curled my lashes and put lots and lots of mascara. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And if you try it, do tag me on my social media handle. I would love to see if you have recreated this look. This is a very simple matte smoky eye look which you can carry it anywhere. And thank you so much for sticking around till this point in the video and watching everything how I did this. So my battery got off during the lipstick part, so I'll just mention both the lipstick that I've used here. I've used Smashbox Driver's Seat and I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills Sand. These are the 2 lipsticks I've used and this is the result. और मुझे ये भी बताओ कि मैं वीडियोस हिंदी में ही करूँ पूरी या फिर इंग्लिश हिंदी मिक्स या फिर सिर्फ इंग्लिश, बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट दैट कि मैं सिर्फ इंग्लिश में करूँ या फिर हिंदी में करूँ या फिर मिक्स करूँ. तो मुझे वो बताओ नीचे कमेंट्स में. टिल देन सी यू.